Our daughter's Jessica Barrett, and she has a severe seizure disorder. She was in the hospital a couple times, and I mistook, because she can't communicate, what she was doing for sore throat, etc. And I didn't figure out it was a tooth until about 2 weeks into the hospital stay, which we stayed there a month and a half. So upon release, I went through the phone book, I tried to get a referral. I couldn't find anybody willing to treat her with her medical history. And special needs dentistry, I did not see. And I looked page, line by line I looked for it. So I had a very difficult time finding it. Any other dentist, the other dentist that I phoned, upon hearing her medical history, they were like, oh, no. We don't deal with that. We don't deal with that. You need to call a specialist. So, I was getting really worried, and I had a hard time finding somebody who was willing to care for her. So I finally got a referral list from Desert Regional Center, and I'm very happy with the care that she's gotten here. She's out of pain, and she didn't have to be strapped down. She could have her tooth taken care of, and she's okay.
They did a good job today, and
Yep.
no problems, no nothing. She's really happy. She hasn't talked like that in months.
We were wondering if she was going to talk again.
She's happy now.
Yep.